So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph, that's me. So you're gonna notice that I look a little different in this intro than I do in the entire video, and that is because I erased the entire thing. I deleted my whole intro to this video, so I had to quickly record it again. So here we go. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the PUR, or PUR, however you want to say it, mystery box. Now, I don't know, this mystery box is just, it's a humdinger, so if you want to see what's involved, then keep on watching. Remember to smash the subscribe, thumbs up, and your bell. Thanks. Okay guys, so I swear to God, when I went on the site and I saw this, I was like, wait, they have a mystery box? So I went ahead and I ordered it without even like checking anything or like any kind of research. I just went ahead and I purchased it. And I got it for like a really dirt cheap price. I think it was originally 40 bucks. Then it dropped down to 25, and then I was able to get, I had the option of getting two. And I was like, let me just see. I ordered it. I ordered one. I think I paid $15, something like that. Anyway, so after I ordered it and it was already like on its way, I went ahead and I looked at some of the other videos about it. I swear to you, I think every single YouTuber has purchased this mystery box, because when I looked on YouTube for it, there were so many unboxings. It's crazy. Now they do have another one, a new one, and that will be here very soon. If I don't know if I'm going to put this one up or that one, but it should. I'm filming this on, I think, the 29th, I think it is, and of July, and that box, the other one, it's a brand new summer edition mystery box. I have no idea what's in it, and that one I think that costs $30 if I'm not mistaken. I can't, don't hold me to it. But anyway, this one was dirt cheap. I think it was like $15 with the shipping or some crazy amount like that. So I went ahead and got it. But then I saw like everybody got it. And it's been around but forever, because even though when I was looking at the YouTubers, there was like some from last year. I was like, oh my God, why did I get this? But so we're going to quickly take a look at it, and then that's it. We're just going to hop on here. I just wanted to get it done. But here's another reason. Because hopefully the winners, we would have gotten the boxes situated and what have you. But if not, especially for the winner who won the third place, runner-up, the third runner-up who was getting a box curated, I wanted to get as many products out in the open on the air, so that I'm allowing them to customize a little bit. So, maybe they want something that they see. So that's pretty much why I'm trying to like throw all these products at you, okay? The ones I haven't used anyway, you know what I'm saying? So, all right, so it comes in a box like this, okay? My mailer's on the top, so I can't show you that. So I'm just going to get rid of that, and recycling goes out Monday. Thank you, Jesus. I have so many boxes again. Anyway, and it does come in a mailer like this. Now, I did open it because this is the deluxe mystery box. Okay, anyway, you'll see. All right, so I'm going to just take everything out. So I'm going to put it back in until I can put them in the bins where they go. Started another bin, guys. Holy crap. Like, what? It's just, and I'm not anywhere near putting July's boxes away yet. So, okay, I do have a packing slip, which, oh, no. Okay, so what I see here, and I did find out that they're all exactly the same. Every single one. Some girl bought two thinking they were different, and nope, they were the same. So I'm glad I didn't get two. I was going to do that and then give one away, but I was like, oh, thinking that there would be a bunch of different products and I can put them together and make a giveaway. But no, it would have been exactly the same, so that would have been not good. All right, so we do get some samples. As you know, PUR always sends you samples with everything. Oh, and I forgot to mention to my Raw Beauty Christy, they did send me, I think I put it in the words, because of the sorriness, I was able to get 25% off, but this came before that. So 25% off my next purchase, they said sorry, because of the launch. And they also did send me, I don't know if I have it around here somewhere. It's somewhere. It's one of their best brown eyeliners, and it's brown. And I was so mad because I forgot I got it when I did that look, and that would have went perfect with the look I created when I reviewed the palette. But anyway, So I do have that. So they did send that as an extra because of the whole crappy launch. But anyway, this one is been around forever. I even called to get 2-day shipping because when I ordered the summer, the newer mystery box, I wanted 2-day shipping, which is $15. And no way did it even, 2 days, 3 days went by and I'm like, yo, where's my box, you know? So I called them and they were very nice. They gave me that money back. But now I don't know where the box is. I mean, it's on its way, but it's taken an awful long time to get here. But it's actually pretty, I think it's coming next couple days. But I've been waiting for a while. So that whole $15 thing, well, I don't know what they were doing with that, but they did refund my money. So thank you for that. Okay. So we do get 3, the correcting primer. We have a cream. Oh, what? Creatine serum, and then I also we have a get a grip. That is the other primer. So we got correcting primer, which I assume is some kind of shade type or whatever, and then we got the regular primer, and then they've got the cure whatever it is, age defying concentrate. There it is. It's on the other side. Anyway, it's a serum. It's a sample. Not too crazy, you know. Yay! Thank you, PUR. I appreciate it. Okay, so. All right, let me just dig into this. So the first thing I see here is, and I do like, listen, I like these little packages, guys, because whatever comes in it, like, who does this? Essence, their brushes come in a little Ziploc thing like that. I have one from Dollar General that I got that's in the giveaway box. I think it was on sale for $2 or something, but it has a little Ziploc, really thick plastic thing, and I like these. I keep these because if I travel and I'm not bringing a whole set, and I just have a couple brushes, I will actually put it back in here and just throw it in my suitcase or whatever. But this, I don't know if you count this as a brush, but I guess so. It is one of the most thinnest, I will say that, eyeliner, I mean, brow, you know, to create the strokes, and then of course spoolies. Now listen, guys, you can never have enough spoolies because I swear to you, every spoolie I have has hair, fuzz, cat hair, lint, dust, and I clean them all the time, and it's just impossible. It's just impossible. So get a new one, which I'm going to keep in here no matter what. Looks like this, okay? So that's the first thing. I don't remember how many products come with this. Then we have these pretty kind of cool, came in this little bag like this, okay? Eyelash curlers, which are holographic, if you can see that. Pretty awesome. I think they're pretty cool. I mean, do they look comfortable? Not really. I like my Japanese. I can sit there and grip my eye up and I don't pinch anything, but I don't know about this one. But you can never have too many. I actually have 3. If you count the Japanese, now this will make 4. So I'm always grabbing, you know, and multiples I'm okay with these because if it doesn't hurt my eyes, if this one pinches my eye, I'm gonna be mad. But anyway, there's that. So that's the second item. And then we have yet a brush. This is a stippling brush, which I have so many of these. This is definitely going in a giveaway. Oh, and by the way, to whoever won the 3rd place winner in my giveaway, the box I'm curating will have brushes, okay? I will make sure that there is some type of, I don't know whether it'll be a set, because I have so many brushes, guys, that I have still in the packaging. It's ridiculous. The James Charles set, I mean, it's crazy. So, I mean, I have not tried any of them. They're still in the packaging. They're still in the holders. I have my Jeffree Star, which I'm not giving those up, sorry. But this is a stippling brush, which I do have so many of these. I just got one, I think, in Ipsy, or one of the subscription boxes this month. So here you have it. And this says PUR. Does it say what it is? No. Does it say what it is here? Yes. Liquid chisel brush. So this is for, like, if you want to contour with, like, cream contour. That's cool. I didn't know you could use them for that. I always do, like, highlighter with these. I don't know. But I don't do highlighter, so there you go. Maybe that's why I should stick to no highlighter, right? Actually, I did do some today. A little bit. A little something. But anyway, okay. So then we have yet another brush, which I do have, what are they called? I got actually 2 nice ones. Where are they? They're around here. So, oh, they're in that thing that fell off in my other video. Okay. This one here, how do you open this? Oh, guys, is it really taped? I'm not opening this. Come on now. Oh my God. I'm going to have to, oh, there, okay. Shoot, that was easier than I hoped, than I thought. So I do have a brush like this, and it is a nice brush. Oh my God, my hands all over it. I don't know. I will sanitize this and put it back in. I am not keeping this. I have one. I have a whole set like this, an actual set. That Beaky Blender, I won an Instagram contest. They sent me so many brushes. It was my first brush collection ever. It started me off. It got me going, you know, to learn how to put makeup on. And I still have it, but I barely ever use it. Some of their eye brushes, but that's about it. When I'm blending, maybe. But yeah, so here's this one. And this is the packaging it came in. It's the PUR Skin Perfecting Foundation Brush. So this is foundation. Now, I will tell you, for foundation, these are wonderful. They're wonderful at blending out contour. They're wonderful. They're just wonderful for like face. I wouldn't use, they have ones for eyes, but I'm not too fond of those because I'm not, yeah, just holding them is just awkward. So there you have that. Now I'm not going to keep this. This is definitely, I will spray it with alcohol and put it in a giveaway, okay? Because I put my hand on it. I apologize for that. And you do have another one that matches. Now this one is Skin Perfecting Concealer Brush. So which would go under your eyes. I'm not going to take it out of the box because again, I have one just like this. I have the one that's the really expensive, the Artesian or something. I forget what it's called, but they're really expensive. I got two of them. I got one that looks just like this, and I got one that looks just like this. And I mean, the set was like $100 and something, like almost 200 bucks, I think. And I did get two of them for free. Through my, you know, my sampling opportunities that I do. And only the two brushes, I think, were like 50 bucks or something. It was crazy. So I do have two of those, but these are going in a giveaway, okay? Then we have, did I miss anything? No. No. Okay, then we do have this, which is, this is On Point PUR Low Key. What is this? I don't know what this is. Let's see. I can get it out. Okay, so this is kind of cool because this is what the brown, yeah, this is the same kind of packaging that the brown eyeliner came in the Raw Chrissy Beauty when they sent it to us, you know, for the sorry for the mess up on the launch. And it's exactly the same. So this is mad cool. Check this out. It looks like this, and then to open it, you just have to turn it and it screws off, which is cool. I kind of like that. And then it goes, does it go up? Oh, yeah. No, yeah, on the bottom, I think. Ooh, why is it not going up? I don't know. Something's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. I'm twisting and twisting and nothing's happening. Okay, so I'm going to have to look into that. I'll have to read what's on here. But this is, if I can see it. Oh, good Lord, what is it? On Point Lip Liner. Okay, so that is a lip liner. And that is the shade that it's in. Now, you know I have umpteen lip liners. But I don't have one from them, so I might keep this. I'm not sure. But I do have a ton of lip liners that are brand new in the packaging that are in the giveaway box. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so there's that. And then the last thing is a palette, which I was like, oh, my God, please do not be that palette we got from Body Charm. But it's not. This is the Festival palette. Now, we just recently, or we're going to, or something, I don't know, get the 2.0 or something festival, but here's what this one looks like. This kind of reminds me of the one we got in BoxyCharm, and here you have the shades on the back, okay? And I'm not sure, I can't remember if I saw what this looked like. I don't think I took this out of the packaging. Let me see. Oh, wait. And we have Get a Grip. Oh, an eyeshadow primer. I'm always down to try a new eyeshadow primer. I do go back to my priming potion from Urban Decay, always, but it's always cool to try one, you know. You never know, you might hit the jackpot one day. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It looks just like the carton, okay, and then you turn it around. You have the palm trees on the back. And now the back of the box does have the shade and the shade names, okay? Yeah. And then when you open this up, okay, now PUR is notorious for keeping, they have like a little sticker with the plastic sheath that it keeps it attached to the palette. Now, I love that because I lose my plastics all the time. I don't know how I do it. I put my palettes away. I have like 2 of them sitting there. 3 of them sometimes. And I go back over. I can't find where they go. So I have a pile in my shadow, my eye palette. Like, I have a holder. And there's like one space that's just all plastics. It's crazy. And I don't know where they go. I tried to put them back. But so this is what it looks like. It does have a mirror. I mean, this is all right. I like that pink and that purple, that's for sure, because you know me. But I guess these are pressed glitters right here, I would imagine. And this has a plastic. I'm not going to take that off because I might very well put this in the giveaway. Now, our PUR, let me see, our PUR, I want to say our PUR eyeshadow is the best. No. That palette we got, I have the palette from BoxyCharm. I do have that. And I actually had 2 of them. So I tried one, and the other one I haven't touched because I tried it like a couple times, and I'm like, what is going on? It's not the best formula, but I mean, you can work with it if you have a little bit of skills, I guess. At the time when I tried it, I did not have any skills, so I was like, no, I can't use this. Put it right back, you know, just threw it up on the shelf, and then I got another one. I was like, oh my god. So yeah, so this is the last thing in the thing. Now I will try my best to link the total value of this box. What is it? Oh, my Bluetooth is on. I was like, who's talking to me? I will try my best to link the total of the entire box here. And like I said, I will go back over my records and I will put here what I actually paid for it. I believe it was like $15 or $18, something like that. I know it was under $20 because I was like, wow, 20 bucks, mystery box, I'll get it. Everyone and their mother that has a YouTube channel, I think, has brought this on there before. But anyway, you know, why ruin the trend now, right? But the next one is brand new. They assured me it's never been seen before, yada, yada, yada. I don't know. I looked on the website. On the YouTube, I've not been able to see it. I didn't want to watch it. I just want to see if there was anybody else. When I looked, I didn't, but that could change now. People might have gotten it by now because it just came out not too long ago. So, right before the Raw Beauty Christie. So, all right. So, there you have it. That is the infamous, everybody has it, PUR mystery bag, and it's the deluxe. So that's the deluxe. I don't know what would be in the non-deluxe, so only imagine. Anyway, guys, listen, if you're new here, please by all means subscribe to my channel. Take a chance on the channel. Take a chance on me. Take a chance on what this can become, because like I said, this is a new channel. The more people that subscribe, the more things, the more ideas, the more ways this channel could go. Definitely a beauty channel, but it could be, you know, beauty. There's so many different definitions for beauty, at least in my eyes anyway. And beauty can mean a lot of things, you know, and I try to cover all of that. I also have a freebie series within this channel where I teach you how to obtain free products like this, absolutely no cost. All you have to do is try it and tell the company what you think of it, and you get to keep it. And I'm not talking just this kind of stuff. I'm talking appliances. I have a brand new front-loading washer that costs $1,000 sitting in my laundry room. Yes, I do. And oh my God, I mean, you know, things like that. Coffee, cappuccino machine, $1,500. You know, so much stuff. It's ridiculous. I'm waiting for a television. That's coming. That's coming. I'm going to get one. Watch. But anyway, yeah, please take a chance. Hit the subscribe button. Turn it gray. Put on your notification bell. And please, by all means, rate this video thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. That helps me out as well. Hoping you give me a thumbs up, because the more thumbs up that I get, the YouTube will put it in their algorithm and it will be shared out. And like I said, let's have YouTube work for us for a while. Let's stop working ourselves and trying to share out everything and go all crazy. And let's have them work for us. Let them share our video to people, or this video, or share our video. I always say this is our channel. Share our channel to other people that don't know about us, and then we might be able to grow the channel that way. I am trying to grow the channel. I just got done having a giveaway. I don't even know if the winners have gotten their stuff yet, but I hope so. And until I see you in the next one, guys, please remember, the world is crazy right now. So if you are not in the right frame of mind, or you are feeling low, please reach out to someone. I didn't do that, and I regret it. It will never happen again. Check on someone that you haven't spoke to in a while. Like, life is short, you know. And most of all, out of everything, please stay safe. See you next one, guys. Bye.